Oh, here's something that transpired with Elon. So one of the reverse kind of sanctions that took place, retaliation, is Russia said no more of our rockets going to the U.S. We're not sending any rockets. So this, I guess this was a message from Dmitry Rogozin. Russia has decided to stop supplying rocket engines to the United States in retaliation for its sanctions against Russia over Ukraine. He's the head of the space agency there, Roscosmos. In a situation like this, we can't supply the United States with our world's best rocket engines. Let them fly on something else. They're broomsticks. I don't know what. That's what he said. Because they're witches, I guess. They got to go on their broomsticks. Right. Anyway, so Elon does what Elon does, which is highlight the section that says, let them fly on something else. They're broomsticks. He highlights it, reposts as a screenshot.
America's broomsticks.
Two American flags on each side of the two words American broomstick. Saying, let's go.
Yeah.
Saying,
very cheeky.
Saying, no problemo, sir. Yeah. Ever heard of SpaceX, sir? So he's not intimidated by the American broomstick comment. Or maybe he's even motivated by it.
Could be.
Actually.
Yeah.
He may change maybe they'll change the name of SpaceX to American Broomstick.
It's like him.
American Broomstick Company.
Yeah.
Hey, he could do some merch.
He would totally do something like that.
He could do some merch right now, American Broomstick Company, and do it in like a really old way, like established. You know how they do that?
Right.
Old timies.
Yeah.